Welcome to today's video where we will delve into the exciting world of starting an affiliate marketing brand on YouTube. If you've been looking to monetize your content and generate passive income, then this video is perfect for you. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy that allows content creators to earn commissions by promoting products or services. YouTube, being one of the largest search engines in the world, offers a massive platform for reaching potential customers and growing your brand. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey on YouTube. From choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and audience to creating engaging content that drives conversions, we've got you covered. We'll also explore the importance of building trust with your audience and how to seamlessly integrate affiliate links into your videos without coming across as salesy. Understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and leveraging YouTube's reach can open up a world of opportunities for content creators. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber looking to diversify your revenue streams or a newcomer eager to make your mark in the digital space, affiliate marketing on YouTube can be a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap on how to start your own affiliate marketing brand on YouTube and maximize your earning potential. We'll provide practical tips, strategies, and real-life examples to inspire and guide you on your affiliate marketing journey. So, if you're ready to turn your passion for creating content into a profitable venture, grab a pen and paper, take notes, and let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing on YouTube. Be sure to like and subscribe for more educational and informative content. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step in starting an affiliate marketing brand on YouTube is to select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and target audience. Consider what topics you are passionate about and what type of content you enjoy creating. Research popular niches in the affiliate marketing space and identify areas where you can provide valuable and engaging content to your viewers. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Once you've identified your niche, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Develop a content strategy that includes a mix of informative, entertaining, and engaging videos. Ensure that your content is valuable and relevant to your target audience to build trust and credibility. Utilize SEO best practices to optimize your videos for search engines and attract organic traffic to your channel. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility and reach a wider audience. Additionally, create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling video titles to increase click-through rates and encourage viewers to watch your content. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful affiliate marketing brand on YouTube. Develop a content schedule and stick to it to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Experiment with different types of content, such as tutorials, reviews, and vlogs, to diversify your channel and appeal to a broader audience. By choosing the right niche and creating high-quality content consistently, you'll be on your way to establishing a successful affiliate marketing brand on YouTube. Stay tuned for the next steps in this comprehensive guide to kickstarting your affiliate marketing journey on the platform. Step 3. Join affiliate programs. The next crucial step in starting an affiliate marketing brand on YouTube is to join affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Research and identify reputable affiliate programs that offer products or services aligned with your content and audience. Sign up for these programs and obtain unique affiliate links that you can promote in your videos. When selecting affiliate programs, consider factors such as commission rates, cookie duration, and the quality of products or services offered. Choose programs that provide value to your audience and align with your brand's values to ensure authenticity and trustworthiness. Are you enjoying this educational and informal content? Be sure and subscribe for more. Step 4. Promote affiliate links in your videos. Once you've joined affiliate programs and obtained your unique affiliate links, it's time to strategically promote them in your YouTube videos. Integrate affiliate links naturally into your content by recommending products or services that you genuinely believe in and have used or researched. Avoid being overly promotional or pushy with your affiliate links. Instead, focus on providing valuable information and solutions to your audience's problems, with affiliate products or services being a helpful recommendation. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to maintain trust with your viewers and comply with legal regulations. Experiment with different ways of incorporating affiliate links into your videos, such as including them in video descriptions, mentioning them verbally, or showcasing them in product reviews or tutorials. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links using analytics tools provided by affiliate programs to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. By joining relevant affiliate programs and strategically promoting affiliate links in your videos, you can monetize your content effectively and generate passive income through your affiliate marketing brand on YouTube. Stay tuned for the next steps in this comprehensive guide to mastering affiliate marketing on the platform. Step 5. Engage with your audience. The penultimate step in starting an affiliate marketing brand on YouTube is to actively engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos, participate in discussions, and seek feedback from your viewers. Building a strong relationship with your audience fosters trust and loyalty, increasing the likelihood of them engaging with your affiliate links and supporting your brand. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel to grow your audience and expand your reach. Utilize YouTube's community features, such as polls, stories, and live streams, to interact with your audience in real time and create a sense of community around your brand. Step 6. Track performance and optimize strategies. The final step in establishing your affiliate marketing brand on YouTube is to track the performance of your affiliate links and optimize your strategies accordingly. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings to assess the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. Use the data gathered from analytics tools to identify top-performing videos, products, and strategies. Adjust your content and promotional tactics based on this data to maximize your affiliate marketing success. Continuously test and refine your approach to find what resonates best with your audience and drives the most conversions. Stay informed about industry trends, algorithm changes, and best practices in affiliate marketing to stay ahead of the curve and adapt your strategies accordingly. By staying proactive and continuously optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts, you can build a sustainable and profitable affiliate marketing brand on YouTube. Congratulations! By following these steps and implementing effective affiliate marketing strategies, you are well on your way to establishing a successful affiliate marketing brand on YouTube. Keep creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and refining your approach to maximize your earning potential and achieve long-term success in the world of affiliate marketing on YouTube. In conclusion, starting an affiliate marketing brand on YouTube is a rewarding venture that offers endless opportunities for content creators to monetize their passion and creativity. Throughout this comprehensive guide, we've covered essential steps to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey on YouTube and build a successful brand from the ground up. From choosing the right niche and creating high-quality content to joining affiliate programs, promoting affiliate links, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your strategies, each step plays a crucial role in establishing a profitable affiliate marketing brand on YouTube. By following these steps and implementing effective affiliate marketing tactics, you can leverage the power of YouTube to reach a global audience, generate passive income, and build a sustainable online business. Remember to stay authentic, provide value to your audience, and continuously refine your approach to maximize your earning potential and long-term success. We encourage you to take action, apply the strategies outlined in this guide, and embark on your affiliate marketing journey on YouTube. Experiment with different content formats, engage with your audience, and track your performance to fine-tune your strategies and achieve your goals. Whether you're a seasoned content creator looking to diversify your revenue streams or a newcomer eager to make your mark in the digital space, affiliate marketing on YouTube offers a wealth of opportunities for growth and success. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your goals, and watch your affiliate marketing brand flourish on YouTube. Be sure and check out the links below for our recommended training platform and AI tools to get you started. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to start an affiliate marketing brand on YouTube. We look forward to seeing your success stories and hearing about your experiences as you embark on your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you combine your passion with strategic affiliate marketing on YouTube. Happy creating and best of luck on your affiliate marketing endeavors.